everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to log in PayPal account on your iPhone. So to get started, let's open PayPal app. Make sure you have already downloaded PayPal app on your device. As I have already shown you on my previous video about how to create PayPal account. So for now, we are here to log in PayPal account. Tap on login button. Before that, enter your password. So here you go, you have successfully logged in your PayPal account. On your top left corner, you can see your profile icon, tap on it. So here you can see detail of your PayPal account. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.